Hello, my name is Nurse Pauline RN. Welcome to my channel. Today I have questions and answers. This is part 5. I have a video out there which is exam 2, Developmental Theory, Health and Wellness, Critical Thinking. I'm doing questions and answers to this video because it was a very long video. So we'll start with part 5. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe and please share this video. These questions and answers are coming directly from RN NCLEX examination. What are the responsibility of a community nurse? The correct answers are quite a few. Collecting data, lead screening programs, counselor, cigarette smoking cessation, notify school nurses to assess students, notify school district employees, determine the health need of immigrant population in the society, determine the needs of immigrant population views. Their most important needs they have, how immigrant uses healthcare resources, barriers perceived for healthcare by immigrants, safety assessment on elderlies, teaching elderlies, teaching elderly needs for proper lighting, safety, proper locks on their doors, assess medications and fall preventions for the elderly. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I think this ends our part 2 exam. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Stay safe.